Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. But we're going to start setting up the new enclosure for the superworms, but now it's more like Darkling Beetles, because now look at this one, it's almost like completely developed. Yeah, these things grow really fast, so yep, we will be setting up the new enclosure for these Darkling Beetles once they finish pupation. So before that, I want to give you a little tour on what has been going on today. So this is our first pupa, and it is doing really well. You see, it's just flipped over here, and you can see its legs and limbs are very well defined now. So I think in about 1 to 3 days it will hatch out and become a beetle. This is our second beetle, I mean pupa, but it's going to be a beetle soon. Look, it's just laying there chilling and also making some movements with its I think tail thingy. So yeah, also doing very well here. Let's see, I'm going to do a vertical thing here. Yep, doing super well. Yep, and oh gosh, this is our more recent pupas. Yeah, just a quick update, guys, for the pupas over here, and the skin is still there, but never mind. Yep, and over here, this is our other superworm. This is our superworm that has not pupated yet. As you can see, it's doing some movements. Yeah, so I hope sooner or later it will become a pupa. Yeah, so by the way, this is the container that I would be using to house the Darkling Beetles. Yeah, so I will be using the substrate over here. Let me go get the substrate here. It's just nothing much. It's just recycled paper. Like let me see in a moment. As you can see, it's just like so I need to get this focus over here. It's just like paper, then they crush it or something. Yeah, and don't worry, this is perfectly safe. It is 100% biodegradable, and it doesn't use any chemicals or additives. It's just paper that has been crushed. Yup, this is 100% safe for animals. See that? Yeah. From at this angle, it kind of looks like poop, but it's not poop. Okay, it kind of looks like poop, but it's not. Yeah. Okay, first you need to make sure your container is nice and clean. Next, I will put this. It's like a house. Yeah, it's like a small area for them to just like chill, you know. And also, I'm trying to put this thing. I don't know why do I need this thing, but I guess it's just for decoration, and yeah, and it kind of looks nice too. I mean, it's like thing. Maybe I'll put, maybe next time I'll put food here, and then I'll just fill the substrate up into like this level, so it can just climb inside here and have some food, nice vegetables, I guess. Yeah, and I love this plant. By the way, I got all this from the pet store. So yeah, everything is pet approved, I think. I don't know if that's a thing, but yeah. First, gonna get the substrate here. It's just recycled paper. Yeah, with a plastic spoon. Yay. Yeah, so now all I'm just gonna do is fill the container up with this recycled paper. Yeah, I'm gonna use this a plastic spoon because that's what I do. Trying to get into everywhere. Yeah, I'm just gonna fill it up like this. Just slowly. Yeah, just to avoid that. I'm just gonna go in there and just just dump it out. Rub some more. Fill it in. Kinda take a couple of them out with the, you know, it's gonna be quite easy. I'll sprinkle them by hand. Otherwise it's easier than just, you know. Yeah, I'll just fill up all the areas with the recycled paper. Yep, just pack it in there. Yeah, I think we're done for this. Filling the container up with the substrate. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I'm really excited for the Darkling Beetles to come. Okay, so what I'll do next is cover it with the lid. Cover it with the lid, yeah. And you can see this is a nice enclosure. Yeah. Yeah, by the way, so I think we probably should be done for now. Yeah, later, maybe once they become beetles, I'll show you how to feed them. Yeah, but for now, we should technically, yeah, I think we're done. We've completed everything, and I still have lots of this, so yeah, I could just change that very fast. And I also have a whole bag down there of the recycled paper. Yep. So yeah, I think this is it for this video. Remember to live your life to the fullest and have fun. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And bye bye.